Welcome to the best picks. The best acetone vapor headlight restoration is probably one of the most effective ways to restore your car headlights to their original clarity, but is it worth the hype and will it really bring your hazy headlights back to life? In this video, we will put this kit to the test, examining its ease of use, effectiveness, and overall value to determine if it's the right choice for you. Number 5. Chemical Guys Gap 11516. Improved visibility means safer driving. It keeps your headlights clear, enhancing night vision and improving your reaction time, especially at night. This doesn't just clean your headlights, it protects them too. It seals the surface, guarding against the elements that cause yellowing and cloudiness, ensuring long-lasting clarity. Save money by avoiding costly headlight replacements. It easily rejuvenates and maintains your headlights, restoring their brightness and clarity for better road visibility. It's simple to apply and provides a DIY solution to restore your headlights to like-new condition. Keep your vehicle's lighting system bright and safe from damage. Looking for a gift for the car lover in your life? This is a thoughtful and practical present that keeps headlights shining bright all year round. What we like. If you prioritize safety and long-lasting protection, this is the one for you. It keeps headlights clear in any weather, saving you money on replacements. For drivers who want to enhance visibility and protect their investment, this is a great choice. What people say. This product does work, and in the world of polishes and trying to figure out which grade or grit you need, this is nice because it's just the right grit rating to do a complete job relatively easily. The professional grade restoration provided by this headlight restorer is nothing short of remarkable. With just a simple application, the advanced formula effectively removes the faded, hazy appearance of my headlights, revealing the pristine plastic beneath. What sets Chemical Guys Headlight Restore and Protect apart is its all-weather protection feature. It's not just a cleaner, it's also a protector. After restoring clarity, it seals the surface, safeguarding against harmful elements that cause yellowing and oxidation. Number 4. Turtle Wax T-240KT Kit. Say goodbye to cloudy headlights. This kit will restore your lenses to a sparkling shine, making them look like new. You'll receive 3 restoration pads, spray lubricant, lens clarifying compound, and a sealing wipe. Everything you need for a perfect restoration. It works on all types of lenses, plexiglass, and even plastic surfaces. It's the perfect solution for restoring clarity to your headlights. It takes less than 5 minutes per lens to achieve amazing results. You'll be amazed at how quickly it works. First, use the clarifying compound to remove surface discoloration. Then, use the multi-stage pads to tackle deeper scratches for a complete restoration. The kit includes a sealing wipe to protect your lenses and keep them looking their best for longer. Enjoy the improved visibility and enhanced look of your vehicle. What we like. This kit offers a quick and effective solution with various grits for different levels of damage. It's perfect for those seeking a fast and easy fix for various lens types. If you need a fast and easy restoration for all your lenses, this is the best choice for you. Number 3. Headlight Restoration Kit. Is your car's headlight looking dull and cloudy? This kit will restore its clarity, improving visibility and safety. It's a 2-step process. First, gently remove the damaged surface, then apply a protective coating to create a crystal clear shine. This isn't just a temporary fix. The new UV coating helps shield against future yellowing and oxidation, keeping your headlights looking new for longer. Everything you need is right here: repair fluid, sanding tools, an atomizing cup, and more. No extra purchases required. It's versatile. Use it on car headlights, motorcycles, even helmets and windows. The possibilities are endless. We're committed to quality and customer service. If you have any questions, we're here to help you get the best results. What we like. With a large amount of repair fluid and all necessary tools included, it's a comprehensive solution for extensive headlight restoration. It creates a protective UV coating for long-lasting results. If you need a complete solution to restore your headlights to a like-new condition, this is the one for you. What people say. Worked amazing. I started wet sanding with 800 grit, 1000 grit to 3000 grit and finally wool pad polishing. Used alcohol wipes to remove and polish residue and hit it with the vapor tool. It made the headlights look brand new. It gets rid of small scratches and haze as the vapor melts the plastic. It can correct a lot. Fantastic kit. Used this 8 months ago and the headlights are still clear. I've used other headlight restoration kits that polish and restore, only to find out later the haze comes back. This kit takes it a step further, and after polishing, you apply a new clear coat to the lamp surface that has held up after many months. Number 2. Headlight Restoration Kit. Are your headlights looking dull and yellowed? This kit will restore their clarity and brightness, improving visibility and safety. Everything you need is included: repair fluid, sandpaper, and application tools. No need to buy anything extra. With simple steps and graded sandpaper, you can easily restore your headlights to a like-new condition. It's so easy. The UV coating protects against future yellowing and discoloration, extending the life of your headlights and saving you money. It's not just for car headlights. Use it on motorcycles, trailers, even helmets. The possibilities are endless. The kit comes with everything you need for a complete headlight restoration, including a repair solution, sanding tools, and application accessories. What we like. This kit is incredibly user-friendly, making headlight restoration a breeze. It also provides UV protection for long-lasting results and works on various vehicle types. If you prefer a simple and effective solution for various vehicles, this is the best option. What people say. The final result of this solution is totally dependent on the prep involved, or how well you use the sandpaper. This product works well if you are familiar with wet sanding surfaces. The instructions are self-explanatory and can be easily understood. All that said, the product worked just like all the other videos showed on the internet. This stuff works exactly as it says and shows on their videos. The sanding was the hardest work. But now my headlights look brand new, crystal clear. Number 1. Car Headlight Restoration Kit. This kit effectively removes yellowing, blurring, and scratches from your headlights. Enjoy clearer, brighter lights for safer night driving. It uses a high-quality restoration liquid and a special atomizing cup for fast, even heating. The UV-blocking coating protects against future damage. With simple steps and included sandpaper, restoring your headlights is easy. Just follow the instructions for a professional-looking finish. This kit works on cars, motorcycles, and more. It's perfect for cleaning and repairing various headlight issues. Everything you need is included: atomizing cup, repair solution, sandpaper, and more. It's ready to use right out of the box. Restore your headlights to their original brilliance and improve your visibility. Get yours today. What we like. This kit ensures clear and bright headlights, improving your night vision significantly. The high-quality materials and simple design make it a reliable choice. If you are looking for a simple, high-quality solution to improve your night driving visibility, this is for you. What people say. The headlights look like new. If there are minor flaws, you'd have to look up close. To me, I don't see anything but clear headlights. They were yellow and opaque matte before sanding. After 6 steps sandpaper given in package, I used chemical given as well, now my headlight crystal clear like new. Overall great product. As you can see in the pic, they came out better than they were before. They were pretty awful. I think the more time you put into wet sanding them, the better results. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.